spent a lot of time on that intro, which means if I'm gonna do this thing in under 3 minutes, we just gotta get right to it. I'm Steve. Let's learn Lola by the Kinks really fast. It's in E major, strum an E major, and then pick from the top down for that iconic intro right there. And it goes da na na na, E major, A major, D major, I said D major to E major. A major. Does it again. E major, A major, D major, E. A major. This time it goes D major, la la la, C major to D major. Very cool. Does that a bunch of times over and over again, and then it goes to a B major. Eventually it goes dun, 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 F sharp major, A major, back to E major, dun, 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 A, D major, E major. So basically you can see it does a lot of that the same way. I'll tune up a little bit over and over again, but that one part again was B major to F sharp major to A major, and then back to E, and then in the middle it goes pretty cool. So that's A, E, B major, A major, E, B major, and then it goes E major to a G sharp minor, then to a C sharp minor. So then it goes back down to a B, and well, I'm not the world's most passionate man, then it ends up back in E. So one more time, I'll do all that stuff right there. It goes A, E, B, A major, E, B, E, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, back to a B major, E, A, D major, cherry cola, E major, A, D, C, E major right there. What a fun song to play. Those are the basics, 3 major parts. If you memorize those and also know the song, you'll do great. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you around the channel. See ya.